Hello, folks. Welcome to Hands-On History. I'm Nancy Pennington, Coordinator of Youth and Family Programs here at the North Carolina Museum of History. Today we're going to be doing some looking, some thinking, and some making, and having some fun. Look closely at this object and think about what you see. What's the first thing you notice? What do you think it's made of? Why would somebody put holes in it? What do you think the ring is for? 10 lanterns like this let light shine through its many openings. In addition to protecting the candle's flame from a breeze or a light rain, the lantern cast beautiful light patterns. The holes were made with a metal punch and a hammer before the lantern pieces were put together. People used tin to make many things, pretty and plain, because it was pretty cheap, lightweight, and easy to work with. Don't have tin plate handy? Here's a way to make a metal light shade or window decoration. To do so, you'll need some cardstock or cardboard from a cereal box, some aluminum foil, a pencil and paper. You'll draw your design on there. Piece of paper from a magazine. This will be your glue paper. Glue stick, a thumbtack, some cardboard, tape, and an artificial tea light. I'm going to use this instead of a real candle for safety. Okay, let's get started. Got my cardstock all cut out the way that I want, and I need to put my aluminum foil on it. So I'm going to take my paste paper. I'm going to glue that down really well. I'm going to take my foil, put it down in the center, turn it over, smooth it out. Make it as smooth as I can. And you'll notice that I intentionally used the not so shiny side, just so it looks a little bit like the tin. There we go. I've got a few wrinkles, but I've got most of them out. And now here's a choice. You can either cut off the edges, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is just fold everything to the back. Okay. Now, how am I going to get my design onto my piece of tin plate, actually aluminum foil? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tape. I've drawn my design ahead of time. And I'm going to very gently, not pushing it down too hard because I'm going to need to remove it later, tape my pattern onto my cardstock covered with aluminum foil. Put my cardboard underneath so I don't press my thumbtack into the surface of my table. And I just start pressing down, all the way down so you can feel it. And along those lines to create the pattern. I can make my holes as close or as far apart as I want. I can change my design if I don't like it in between making it or drawing the design and actually using it. I could change it right now if I want, but I think I'm going to stay with the same pattern. Okay, so I've punched all the holes that I want. I'm going to put my thumbtack away. Very carefully peel my tape off. Looks like I got it caught a bit there. Okay. There I have my two designs. This one looks like it's a little clearer. Now I can leave it like that, and I could hang it in a window for the light to shine through. See if we can see the design. Nope, not quite so well. So I could hang it in the window to make the light design shine through, or I could fold it. This. Could put my tea light behind it. And when I look from the side, the light shines through all of our holes here. And that's the way you can make a metal window decoration. You want to know more? Make more? Visit History at Home at our website, ncmuseumofhistory.org. See you next time on Hands on History.